Last month, the leadership of the Banyarwanda community in Uganda launched a campaign to collect signatures from fellow Banyarwanda seeking support for an amendment to Article 10 of the Constitution. The proposed amendment aims to provide a legal framework for them to access documents such as passports and national IDs, recognizing them as citizens of Uganda, given that they were born in the country. However, during their campaign, the president met with them at State House to discuss a solution to the issue, as explained by Simon Peter Kayitana, their chairman.
In mobilizing our community on Article 10 amendment, we have been moving almost in each and every part where our people are settled, trying to sensitize them to support the Article 10 amendment. But before, as we are moving with our campaign, the president invited us to State House to have engagements with him to see how we could solve this problem. Then he promised to author a document which is called the Executive Order.
Kayitana stated that due to the Ministry of Internal Affairs' failure to comply with the President's executive order, the Banyarwanda community in Uganda continues to face the same challenges. As a result, they have announced the revival of their campaign to seek support for the amendment of Article 10 of the Constitution.
We thought initially that maybe that document, that executive order, is going to help our people access those documents, passports and national ID, but still the problem is still ongoing. So we have invited you today to inform you that we are going to revamp our campaign. We are going to continue sensitizing our people and seeking support for the amendment of Article 10 by signing in our book.
Their lawyer, Honorable Mukasa Mbidde, emphasizes that the government should take the issue seriously and give it the necessary attention by amending Article 10 of the Constitution.
This executive order does not address any of them. It doesn't address any of the problems of these people.
Honorable Mbidde adds that while the president believes the law is good for the Banyarwanda community, it remains a pressing issue. This is because the executive order primarily addresses the concerns of indigenous citizens, not fully recognizing the Banyarwanda as citizens.
The law that declares these people non-citizens when they are born here, the president believes it is still a good law, and the executive order is for purposes of proof of citizenship. It is only handling evidence. The executive order addresses concerns of only indigenous citizens located in Mpororo, Kisoro, Ntungamo, and the parts of Kabale. All of Banyarwanda located elsewhere without descent from those areas cannot prove citizenship by birth. In fact, all Banyarwanda whose grandparents arrived in Uganda after 1926, according to Article 10, whether you are born here, you are not a citizen of Uganda. And this executive order confirms that position, and it is to the extent of that kind of confirmation not useful for the case of Banyarwanda.
Some of the victims of the citizenship issue, including Bakaromba, explained the challenges they encounter when attempting to obtain passport at immigration offices.
Wano Mukampala muno. Naye buli lwengenda bangamba passport tusola ujire ni winga. Konze lwaki gano manya Bakaromba mama wo
These remarks were made while addressing the press in Kampala. Julius Mhomuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.